This is Extreme Railfan, Redwood Empire Corporation CEO, coming to you from home base. Sorry I don't have my camera on, it's real late, so this is a quick video, possibly. We need your help, guys. We can't get the Silver Iris here. Rail Runner plans to do their own thing, but they're right now busy with the rail trail, so we have no rail car here to use. So we're pretty much up a creek. We need all the help and donations we can to get the J. Murray here before this September. Because 2926 is getting ready for railroad days. We gotta have a car here quickly. So if you have a way to get us a rail car that we could use, that'd be great. Or just donate to our GoFundMe. Come on, people. We need your help. This is an emergency. If we don't get the funds raised, we can't get cars here in time for railroad days. And we need cars here so that way like we said, we're planning to bring rail cars behind 2926. We got to get the funds. Let's get them now, guys. Come on, chop chop. Let's get donating. It's that time. We bust our butts for you guys every time you ask for rail cars. We're trying to get them. You're not supporting us. Then support us. You're the guys who are asking. It's time for you guys now, the ones who are asking, to step up and donate. Don't complain then for the test runs unless, or like if the 2926 is going to roll excursion, then help us out. Donate to our GoFundMe. Let's get the funds. Let's get the cars here. Then maybe we can get ready for railroad days. We can have enough cars open for the public to tour. We'll be ready to go. Come on, people. Donate. We need your help. Let's do it, guys. Scan the QR code on the screen. It will take you to the GoFundMe. And also, we have merch. So, buy our merch. Donate to our GoFundMe. Oh, heck, even donate to the donation box over at Pete's Auto Care. I know we're not doing it anymore. But you still can, I guess, if you wanted to. So, yeah, let's donate. Come on, guys. This is Extreme Railfan, Redwood Empire Corporation CEO, coming to you from home base. We still need more funds, guys. Come on. We got to get the 17K goal. We got a lot of posts out there. We got the GoFundMe, and I even basically changed the name. So if you look at the GoFundMe, we have the new name up. Make sure to donate today. Scan the QR code or link in the description down below once this becomes a video. Please consider donating today, because then that way we can get some rail cars for next year. ERREC, Extreme Railfan Railroad Empire Corporation, will not have rail cars this year for railroad days. We have decided we're going to hold off until we can raise enough funds to get the J. Murray here. So we need you guys to donate so that way we can pull it off. Now we have teamed up with Rail Runner to help for some of this event, so we'll be riding with them, and we'll be helping them out with stuff. So and we'll have merch available at the booth. We'll have meet and greets where you can come meet us. We'll have stuff on display, some of our shirts that we have on display. So we may not have the items on site, but we may have them where you can get them online. So make sure to buy yours today on the Bonfire store or the String stuff, because we need your help. Because without you guys, we can't pull this off. So we need all the help we can get. Santa Fe is now September 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. And the checkout is the 13th. If you want to join, time is running out to sign up with us and book your hotel, because they're going to get filled. If you want to join us and you are in New Mexico, in Albuquerque or Santa Fe area, and you want to join us, come and join us. You're welcome to join. I don't know if the Acoma right now is, if there's any more seats left to ride with us. But if there is, book your ticket now for to ride with us in the Acoma, because once tickets sell out for that, it is out, I think, is what happens. So let's make sure to have the fun time ride. So, if you guys want to join now, and you get your a 10% discount. So, come and join us. So, that way you can have some fun. Thank you to all the ones we have supported us so far, and what we do. Thank you for that. Let's keep raising the funds here, because then that way we have the car here in time for any runs. Let's get to J. Marie, but yeah, please help us. We need all the help we can get. And we need your help. Come on, folks. Please help us out. We're begging you. We're at 1,869. And we're at 800 something in the bank account. So, let's keep going, guys. Let's try to get this at least matched. Come on, guys. The 4-year anniversary is coming up. Let's try to at least raise funds by next month. By June. Or this month. So, we need your help. Let's go, guys. Come on, we need your help. Let's do it this month coming up, June 20. I think the 21st is when, or 22nd, or no, 24th. Is when our 4-year anniversary is. So if you want to help us and get us to our goal, where we need to be, we're still active, we're good standing, we're non-profit. Everything's where we need to be. Let's just keep doing this, guys. Come on. We need your help. Yeah, June 24th, 2022 is when we first started the business. We have an EIN text number. We have an entity ID. We have everything. We are registered with the state of New Mexico. We have a great team. We need your help. Come on, guys. Help us out, please. Thank you. Have a good night. And make sure to donate. Scan the QR code, buy merch, whatever, or come donate at Pete's Auto Care. The box is there.